So what I understand is that the courts are like a battleground. It's a front, and it's going to expose the dirty judges while you're taking the action. But you also have three branches of the government. So the courts are supposed to be independent, but the executive and especially the legislative are the ones that are supposed to keep the other branches in check. They're supposed to be counterbalance, counter like they're supposed to be a counterbalance to each other. So if you're going to go through the courts, you still need to pressure the executive and the legislative because the executive is still part of the legislative, but still has powers on their own, right? Because that's invested in the government. You usually have the attorney general and the secretary of state that generally are looked at as the executive. It may vary a little bit, but it's always the governor and the secretary of state, and you have the president and so forth in the executive over there. So you want to pressure the executive and the legislative branch while still going at the courts.